wondering what all that sound was about. It's not noise, it's the beautiful... Notice that the formation has changed. Woodward Thunder is in here. CT is in the lead aircraft. Naval aviator, father, and flight instructor. He spent time flight instructing, towing back.
Microsoft Flight Simulator by chance?
I can't. Don't have the updated hardware.
Wow.
Woo! Oh man, look at that.
Yeah, but the radio engine.
If you want to learn to fly, this is the place to do it. They have a great school, good airplanes, really talented instructors. The first instructor that just took off was Kylie Ennis.
Oh, look, that's right.
Flying one of the Cessnas. She, November 3869, Quebec. Growing up, Kylie's neighbors are both airline captains who inspired her to travel and see the world for herself. She started flight school in 2021. You're going to hear the term CFI today. That's Certified Flight Instructor. CFI, Certified Flight Instructor.
I promised my youngest.
MEI, multi-engine.
Well, not my youngest, my
ground
middle one.
instructor, etc.
We're gonna watch.
She has just under 900 hours and
possible
100% check right pass. Sublime to the wild side of aviation.
It's not targeted.
Yeah.
And you too
Joe
could follow in his footsteps. So if you happen to be interested in learning to fly, come on down. Newgard Flying Field Flight School will be happy to talk to you about.
Yeah, you're right. I know. That makes me.
Now he was telling me that he was going to play a little bit of Stump the Announcer. Let's see what's... The 355 horsepower up front, this baby climbs like a ocean angel. And in the very capable hands of Scott Francis, you're going to see what these capabilities are. As he racks the airplane around, brings the MSX in for a pass. Watch for the roll rate. There he goes, pulling up onto the vertical. That's about 4 or 5 G's, 4 or 5 times the force of gravity there. Right at the Now for the record, this airplane is capable of withstanding plus or minus 16 G's. That's 16 times the force of gravity. Positive G's, they're the ones holding you into your chair. The negative G's will try to throw you against the belts and throw you out of the airplane. Here we go. Putting all that horsepower to good use on a knife edge 45-degree climb. Holy underwear Batman.
Neither was a
Coming around from the left. Here's Scott Francis. Keep an eye on him. See if he's going to roll it again. All right, he did it a little slower. Oh, look at this. This is negative G's. All the blood's going to his brain. This is a classic way of getting an instant headache. So, Scott Francis, the MSX. That was easily a 250-mile-an-hour pass. On his landing. Let's see how much butter he can do. Oh, look at that. He makes it look so easy.